Introduction to Saramoly machine. Today, we are going to introduce you to carbon cleaning machine. Inside every engine, combustion happens thousands of times per minute. Over time, incomplete combustion causes carbon deposits to build up on piston tops, piston rings, and inside the combustion chamber. This carbon gradually hardens, trapping heat, oil, and residue, creating internal problems that are invisible from the outside until engine performance begins to drop. Common symptoms include loss of power, sluggish throttle response, higher fuel consumption, excessive oil burning with white or blue smoke. These issues are especially common in high mileage, turbocharged, direct injection, and German vehicles. Without proper decarbon treatment, carbon locks piston rings in place, clogs oil return holes, causes engine oil to burn instead of lubricate, and leads to excessive heat buildup inside the combustion chamber. Over time, this results in accelerated engine wear, higher maintenance costs, and a shortened engine lifespan, even with regular oil changes. The carbon cleaning machine is designed to solve these problems. It precisely controls chemical volume per cylinder, ensures even distribution across all cylinders, supports heating, reaction timing, and aeration, and reduces labor time and human error. When paired with combustion chamber decarbon, the system delivers maximum effectiveness. This pH-neutral, premium-grade formula uses osmotic action to slowly dissolve hardened carbon, penetrate piston ring grooves and oil holes, safely free stuck piston rings, and restore proper combustion and sealing. Its polymer digmicide eco-friendly formulation removes carbon without damaging metal or seals. Our machine is available in small and large configurations. It accurately matches different engine cc sizes, from compact cars to high-performance engines. After professional treatment, engines commonly show a 10 to 20% reduction in visible exhaust smoke, noticeable idle smoothness within 5 to 10 minutes, oil consumption improvement after 1 to 2 weeks of normal driving. In the end, effective engine care is not just about maintenance, but about prevention. The carbon cleaning machine delivers deep, safe decarbonization, restoring smoother performance, lower oil burning and longer engine life for cleaner combustion and lasting reliability.